Alright, sorry for the delay. I've been a bit sick and I just passed out yesterday, but I'll show you how to get these out with only a soldering iron. Works really good for oxidized solder. So I'm just going to get into it. So pop them out like that. And then what we're going to do, go around, put a bit of solder on each of them. I'm not using low melt or anything. I'm actually using SN100C solder. And yeah, basically this has you work with it about 380 degrees. So just quickly go around, do all them. Alright, so we've got that. And what I'm going to do, go and bridge all these now. So you just put a shitload on there, like that. Just go around, do them all. Alright, that's that. Then just sort of hold it like that, a couple of fingers on the potentiometer, melt all the pins, give it a little wiggle, and then it should just pull straight out. So I actually do all my potentiometers like this. It's just the nicest way to get them out, then I'm worried about sucking the solder later. A wiggle. If anything's a bit hard, you can do it just side by side by bridging two pins, and tends to get it. There we go. All them out, all nice, no vise damage, no nothing. Righty. Now for these I'm going to cut the corners, so that corner, blah 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 blah. So by doing this, you can get out basically half of this at a time, and then you do the base afterwards. Yeah, so this is probably one of the gentlest ways to get them out if you're a little bit unsure. Just pull all that stuff out, you don't need it. Alright, now each one of these I'm just going to heat it up, put a bit of pressure on it sideways, and then it'll just come straight out. If it's a bit hard, give it a little wiggle, and that just helps get all the solder through. So just heat it up, push, do the other side a little bit, this side again, and then last bit, it's out. What this does too, it drags a bit of good solder through the holes and flux. This makes it a lot easier. So now you see I've only got that base there. What I'm going to do now is put a bit of pressure on it sideways with this higher bit there. And I'm going to heat up two of these pins at one time. Just like that. And that just comes out, pins are out, see? Then when you do the other side, it'll just fall out. Done. Alright, next one's... Oop. Just try not to do that. Alright, them. So the bit high side again, short side's too hard. Heat up your two pins, straight out, two more, done. Alright, that's it guys. Hopefully that'll help some of you guys. And then this way, after you've done that, what you want to be doing is probably setting it up in a holder. I use this one here, cheap as fuck on Amazon. Put it in there, soldering iron one side, sucker the other, And there you go, done. Alright, good luck and goodbye.